Are you struggling to log into your iCloud mail? Well, iCloud mail login problems can be caused by a forgotten or incorrect Apple ID password, two-factor authentication issues, account lockouts, etc. The frustrating part is that it's not always obvious what's blocking you from getting in. In the video, I'll guide you through the most reliable and straightforward fixes to help you regain access to your iCloud mail on your iPhone. And if you've tried everything and you're still logged out, our support team is available and ready to help at the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's begin with the solutions now. Method 1. Make changes in settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. Inside General Settings, look for the Background App Refresh option and tap on it. Go through the list of apps, find Mail, and toggle it on. Once done, restart your iPhone. After it boots back up, check if your iCloud Mail login problem has been resolved. Try to log into your iCloud account. If it helped you fix the issue, then subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, let's move to the next solution. Method 2. Delete the account and re-add it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll to the list of apps until you find the Mail and tap on it. Inside the Mail settings, tap on Mail Accounts. From the list, tap on the Email account. Now, toggle the Mail option off and then back on. If the issue persists, tap on Delete Account to remove it. Once removed, re-add your account and check if the iCloud Mail login problem has been resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.